Egypt is a hot, desert country where the lack of water makes it difficult to grow crops and raise animals. The annual flooding of the River Nile between the months of June and September made the Nile Valley one of the most fertile areas of the ancient world. When the river flooded, mud and silt were deposited onto the surrounding areas of the river. This soil was rich and fertile and made good farming land. The main crops grown were wheat and barley. Wheat was made into bread, which was one of the main foods eaten by both rich and poor ancient Egyptians. The picture shows the bread-making process. First the grain was made into flour, then made into dough with water and yeast, which was placed into a clay mould before being cooked in a stone oven. Barley was used to make beer. The barley was combined with yeast and made into a dough which was part baked in a stone oven. It was then crumbled into a large vat, mixed with water and allowed to ferment before being flavoured with dates or honey. Recent evidence suggests that barley malt may have also been used. Beer was drank by both rich and poor. And wine too, which was made from grapes, pomegranates and plums. This type of wine was enjoyed by the rich. The rich ancient Egyptians ate meat, beef, goat and mutton, as well as fish from the Nile, such as catfish. And they also ate poultry, such as goose, pigeon, duck, heron and crane, on a daily basis. Poor Egyptians only ate meat on special occasions, but ate fish and poultry more often. The picture shows ancient Egyptians hunting for fish and birds in the reeds that grew on the banks of the Nile. Meat, fish and poultry was roasted or boiled. It was then flavoured with salt, pepper, cumin, coriander, sesame, dill and fennel. Meat, fish and poultry that was not eaten quickly was preserved by salting or drying. A variety of vegetables were grown and eaten by the ancient Egyptians, including onions, leeks, garlic, beans, lettuce, lentils, cabbages, radishes and turnips. Fruit including dates, figs, plums and melons were also eaten. This was eaten for dessert.